Guilty. Senior cop convicted in St. James Court. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, troops increased. More police and soldiers deployed to the state of emergency in St. Catherine North amid outbreak of gang violence.
Upgrade. Dump up beach in Montego Bay to get billion-dollar facelift.
Compensation. Government to consider financial payments for businesses affected by roadworks.
And in the financial week, stakeholders praise move to give Bank of Jamaica greater autonomy.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the guilty verdict handed down to Senior Superintendent of Police Anthony Castell?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.